Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rouser-Davis and I'm back with a new video. So we're doing a hair tutorial, of course, because it's really what this channel is, hair tutorials and makeup reviews. But if you guys want to follow a channel where it's going to be makeup tutorials, try on hauls, vlogs, anything and everything you guys want and more, follow my new channel. It's TFUK. And I'll make sure to have it down below for you guys so you guys can subscribe. We're almost to 100k. Not 100k. Huh. We will one day. We're almost to 100 subscribers, and once we get there, I will make a new video. Most likely going to be a makeup tutorial because I know you guys miss it. I miss it. We all miss it. So yeah. So I'm gonna make sure to put everything down below about this wig. And you guys, I love this wig. I didn't have to pluck it or anything. The only thing I had to do was bleach the knots. But y'all, this wig was given. Like I said, I will make sure everything down below is in the description box for this wig. You guys, I absolutely love this wig. I didn't have any problems with this wig. Y'all, it melted so good. The lace thin. HD, okay? Like, it just looks so good, and I didn't even put any foundation on it before I melted. I did it after, you know what I'm saying? And it was still melted. Like, this wig is a must-have for the summer. Like, a must-have. It's just so pretty. And all you have to do is water it like a plant. All you have to do is water and add mousse, and then you can go by your business. Like, so I'm doing the cut in sections. I feel like it's easier for me, especially since I don't have any eyebrow archers. I have scissors, so I think it's easier for me to do it. And I'm going to use my Got To Be High Insta Hold hairspray, and you can really use this by itself. It does have a good hold. I feel like maybe 48 hours it would stay, probably longer. Never tried longer, so don't quote me on it. But I really do like this product. And y'all, I'm gonna use this all over the lace. And I broke my blow dryer. But luckily we had another one here, so double up on a blow dryer, y'all. You never know when it's gonna break, okay? So I'm going to use this blow dryer, and we're going to start melting everything. And I'm going to use a rat tooth comb. Is that what it's called? Rat tooth comb? Why is it called that? Questions that need answers, because why is it called that if that's what it's called? But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a rat tooth comb so we can press and melt down this lace.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing clear.
So we're going to use the better scissors today, and we're going to cut our lace. And then if we miss some, spray action, we're going to go back in with the Got To Be High Intense to Hold to spray and melt it down better. Like this, I feel like this is a really, really easy method, especially if you just needed to go out somewhere, like go to a party, club, day party. Like, I feel like this is the best method and quicker method, in my opinion. So try it at home. I haven't tried this method just to go out. I know I will not try to go out in the club. I'm not even gonna hold you, especially if you dance and you have fun and stuff like that. It gets real hot in the club. So I don't know if only the Got To Be glue will work. Hairspray. Y'all, it's finna storm. Don't mind the thunder. But I don't know if that's just gonna work by itself. But I'm not gonna try that because that's embarrassing if your wig just slip off in the club. I'm just saying.
For the record.
It's time to melt. So we're gonna take our elastic band. Bought this from my local beauty supply store. They didn't have the black one, so I had to go with the nude. I mean, it is what it is. Use what you can. So I'm gonna use this to help melt the lace, and you guys already see that it's helping already. I feel like it's so hard sometimes to do this because sometimes it does not come all around the head. My head, it's not big, but it's not small, but it's not medium. It's pretty big. So now I'm gonna do a middle part just because I've been doing a lot of side parts lately. So we're gonna do a middle part. I just feel like this hair needed a middle part, you know what I'm saying? So it was super easy to style. I decided to do a baby hair on one side, a baby hair on another. I didn't want any like sideburns or anything, so I just left it like it is and just had like a long piece of sideburn or something, like a long piece of hair or whatever. But it was super easy. We're gonna trust the process. We know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process, okay? Because at the end, baby, we're gonna be looking sniggity snatched, okay? So yeah, I already did my makeup too. If you guys want this like summertime foundation routine, let me know. It looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. But if you guys want that, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to record that for my new channel. Oh, the foundation I'm putting on the lace is my combination for my summer routine. I can't let you guys know what it is. You guys gonna have to watch my new channel because it's a good combination. It's two foundations that I love. Like, I need to check and see if it's empty almost because I'm gonna be real sad. You'd have to buy a whole new bottle. Also, comment down below some drugstore or inexpensive concealers and foundations too, because I don't have any like drugstore foundations or concealers like that. Like I have the Morphe concealer. It's cool. I mean, it does what it needs to do for the most part. But yeah, so I'm going to use my Gorilla Snot for my edges because we want them to be laid. And we're not going to go too crazy with the baby hairs because this unit doesn't need all that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's swoop-de-doop. Look at that. Easy, swoop-de-doop. I think the little flat iron trick really helps. So if you really kind of suck at baby hairs, I'm not really that good at baby hairs, but I feel like that method really does help. So if you guys want a nice flat iron, like a little one for your edges, go to your local beauty supply store. I bought this one for only $9. Like it was only $9 to $10. Right, still. And my hot comb is from Kendra's Boutique. I bought it Black Friday. So if you guys want to wait until Black Friday to get a little deal, it's worth it. Like, okay, Mother Nature. All right. So now I'm going to use my concealer in the shade Fawn. And then I think I over bleached a little bit. So I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow. All you guys need is water and some mousse for this unit. Like, that's why I love curly hair. Like, I love curly, deep wave, wavy hair, water wave, because it's so simple. All you need is water and some kind of mousse. Like, it's so simple, so easy. Then you can braid it up at night for like a protective style, so you won't ruin the wig. And then let your braids out, and it's gonna be looking good. Like, I love curly hair. I love wavy hair. I love water wave. I love deep wave. Like, it's just so easy to maintain. Like, it's so easy to maintain. So basically, I popped the red lip on, and y'all, this red lip is giving. It's from Sephora collection, and it's in the shade Cherry Moon. If you know, you know. Like, this is my OG red liquid lipstick that I used to wear when I used to work at Sephora. Yeah, I used to love this shade. Like, this was like my favorite red lip, and I used to get so many compliments on it. So comment down below if you have this color, Cherry Moon Sephora lip stain. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.